Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class. And students, today's topic is buzzword, page number 49, 50 and 51. So let's start our class. Students, look at the board. I'm just showing you here. This is page number 49. Just look, there are some pictures here, and under the picture, under each picture the name is mentioned. So let's start reading. At first, just look at the picture. What is this? This is a safety pin. That means a pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Now the next one, this is a tin. A tin. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. This is a bin. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. The next one, this is the picture of a bib. B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. And this is a nib. N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. Lips. L-I-P-S, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. A zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. A lid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. So in this page we have seen some pictures of pin, tin, bin, bib, nib, lips, zip and a lid. Now go to the next page. Page number 50. Students, just look here in this page. We just see there are some letters O, P and Q, and for each letter there are four pictures. That means 4 words are given. At first, number 1, the first one is an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. The next one is an owl. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. Then oil. O-I-L, oil. O-I-L, oil. O-I-L, oil. Now the next picture is an ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich, an ostrich. Now P for pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. The next one, a pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. A pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. And then a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Now Q. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. A quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. A quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. A kiwi. Q-U-E-U-E, kiwi. Q-U-E-U-E, kiwi. Q-U-E-U-E, kiwi. Now go to the next page, page number 51, and the last page for today. In this page, actually this is Unit 8, Bread and Batter. This is the chapter's title. In this page, we see different types of foods. At first, rice, R-I-C-E, rice. Then rotis, R-O-T-I-S, rotis. Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Then butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Biscuits, B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S, biscuits. Then fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. And this is milk, M-I-L-K, milk. And students, your HW number 10 is word meaning number 1 to 6. I am repeating, HW number 10 is word meaning number 1 to 6. This is your HW. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.